Monday is a big day, Kaylee, because it is tax due date.
Yes.
It's been pushed back a few days.
No pressure there, though, really, because today there's actually something really huge that's happening. By the way, the tax goddess is here, and we are thrilled that you are here because you've been a goddess for quite some time, a CPA with a master's. Her name is Shauna Wekherlien, and today's really important when it comes to tax deductions.
Absolutely.
Because there's something called the Arizona tuition credit.
Absolutely. So the Arizona tuition credit, what it allows you to do is basically direct your money from the state of Arizona towards the schools, toward the private schools. So for each individual taxpayer, you can put in $500. So married filing joint would be $1,000. And the biggest thing is that that deadline is today.
Okay. So in order to take advantage of this, by the way, you don't have to have kids in a private school, but in order to take advantage of this, doing so today means you have to go to one of these schools and give that money right now.
Right now.
Okay.
You have to do it before the schools close today, so you might want to make some phone calls to your favorite school, figure out when they close, and either give them cash, credit card, check, whatever it takes so that the money is out of your pocket and into theirs. And the big thing that you have to watch for before you submit your Arizona tax return, you must reflect how much you gave to the school on your tax return.
Okay, because otherwise that money is going to go to the state of Arizona.
Exactly.
So why not delegate it to where you want it? And considering the budget cuts, the kids could use the money.
Cheers to that.
Yes, exactly. Okay, we've got a couple of, that's cute, a couple of other tips we want to go through here. This I found so odd, but the IRS actually tends to lose money that people are supposed to be expecting in the mail.
Absolutely.
How do we make sure this doesn't happen?
Well, one of the biggest things is that if you owe money to the IRS or even to the Arizona Department of Revenue, the best thing that you can do to protect yourself is make sure that you're sending the money certified return receipt.
Okay.
And when you go to the post office, what that means is that you're going to stick a little green card on the actual envelope, and there's going to be a little white slip. And the second piece to that is making sure that on the white slip, which is the piece that you keep, you write what it is that you sent. So if you sent your payment on that 1040V, that voucher form to the federal government, you make sure that you write your last name, 1040V, 2010 on that white slip, and make sure that your Social Security number and last name are in the memo section on your check.
On your check, inside the envelope? Inside
the envelope, yes.
Sure. Okay.
There have been a lot of cases where people will send their check for whatever it is they owe, and the slip that you're sending, the actual voucher, and the check gets separated at the IRS office. So if your name and social are not in that memo section, your payment literally goes into an unfound pool.
Yeah.
And until you call them to tell them, I sent you money, why don't you have it?
Right.
It sits in the unfound pool.
Okay, that makes my heart race. I mean, seriously.
Well, and like I said, the best thing you can do to protect yourself, make sure your Social Security and last name are in that memo section, and you're sending it certified return receipt.
All right, as always, there are last-minute filers, right?
Of course.
We know who you are. I mean, I get it. I totally get it. I can relate. There are a couple of last-minute filing places. There are others, but we want to point these out for you in particular, because I was at one of these last year. Let me tell you, the line was long.
Yeah, you probably, if you show up at 11:45 p.m., they are open until 11:59 p.m. The main post office at 49th and Van Buren, that post office will be open until 11:59 p.m.
Okay,
but
this is on Monday.
This is on Monday, on the 18th.
Okay.
But I have seen people show up at 11:45, and literally the line is around the building.
Oh, no, I was there late last year.
You were there, so you know.
Yeah.
So
then there's another one. This one's open late, but not that late.
There is. So most of the local UPS stores are open until about 6 p.m. What you're going to want to do is call your local UPS store, but there is one that we have a special relationship with, and they are in the Air Park, 15111 North Hayden.
Okay.
And they're staying open until 6:30 and will keep their doors open until the last person leaves.
Okay, that's good to know.
So definitely call your local postmaster.
Stand on the tax goddess?
Absolutely. Tell them you know the tax goddess. It'll help you.
That'll automatically make you a
You're
VIP.
good. You're good.
Well, Shauna, thank you for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
Good stuff. And thanks for making it easy to understand, because I can tell you, Tara, I mean, doesn't it kind of feel a little overwhelming at times when we're talking about taxes?
I try to tune it out and hope my husband's handling this.